안녕하세요. 친구들, 내 채널을 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. 저는 나는입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. And welcome back. So do you know that on 15th of August, it's just not Independence Day of India, but also the Independence Day of South Korea. Okay, so let's start with the story. Every year on 15 August, the streets of South Korea are filled with flags, music, and spirit of freedom. This is Gwangbokjeol, the Liberation Day, or the day on which the South Korea reclaimed its light. For 35 years from 1910 to 1945, Korea was under the colonial rule of Japan. During this time, the Korean culture, language, and also the freedom were suppressed by the Japanese. But the people never gave up hope. Brave patriots, from students to teachers, rose up to resistance, risking their lives for independence. Their sacrifice kept the dream alive. And finally, on 15th of August 1945, Japan got surrendered in World War II by the US government. And finally, South Korea was liberated from the rule of harsh Japanese government. And this day became to be known as Gwangbokjeol, which means the restoration of light day. Today, South Korea celebrate with ceremonies, concerts, and tribute to independence heroes. It's a reminder that freedom is precious and must be protected for everyone. Gwangbokjeol isn't a history, but it's a promise that the light of Korea will never ever fade again. So that's it for today's video. 감사합니다. 안녕히 가세요.